Imagine living in a world where your place in society was fixed from birth, your job, your beliefs, even who you married. Then, suddenly, that world begins to shift. Traditions crumble, cities grow, and individuals start asking, who am I? What do I believe? That shift, that break from the old, is what we call modernity. Modernity isn't just about technology or skyscrapers. It's a massive transformation in how societies are structured, how people relate to each other, and how they understand themselves. At its core, modernity is about change, rapid, disruptive, and often disorienting. And sociology emerged precisely to make sense of that change. Think of the Industrial Revolution, people moving from rural villages into crowded cities, working in factories, disconnected from the land and old rhythms of life. Traditional authority, like religion or monarchy, started to lose its hold, while new systems, like capitalism, bureaucracy, and nation-states, took over. This was a new social order, one where individual freedom expanded, but so did alienation. Emil Durkheim worried about this. He called it anomie, a state of normlessness where individuals feel disconnected from the larger society. He believed we needed solidarity, a sense of social cohesion, to prevent modern society from falling apart. Karl Marx saw modernity through the lens of class conflict. For him, modern society was defined by capitalism, which created exploitation, alienation, and sharp divisions between the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. But he also saw potential in modernity, the possibility of revolutionary change. Then there's Max Weber, who spoke of rationalization. In modern society, traditional values are replaced by efficiency, calculation, and control. He famously warned about the iron cage of modern life, a world where people are trapped in systems they themselves created. In more recent times, sociologists like Anthony Giddens and Zygmunt Bauman have analyzed how modernity keeps evolving. Giddens talks about reflexive modernity, where people constantly monitor and revise their actions in response to an ever-changing world. Bauman describes liquid modernity, where identities, jobs, and relationships are no longer stable, but fluid and uncertain. Consider how modernity affects work. People no longer work for one employer their entire lives. Careers are flexible, even unstable. Even something as simple as how we communicate reflects modernity, from handwritten letters to instant messages. The pace of life has accelerated. Attention spans have shrunk, but with that, new possibilities for connection and creativity have emerged. If this video helped you see your world a little differently, give it a like, share it with someone who loves learning, and subscribe for more insights into the forces shaping our lives.